So we are going to be starting talking a lot about animals. Sorry, you can see a horrible reflection of my glasses. So we're going to be talking about animals. And we're going to be talking about structures that animals have, how they adapt, and how, for several years they've made adaptations to survive in their environment. But when we're starting, a lot of students get confused. They get structures and functions confused. So we're going to go over a couple examples. The structure is the thing on the body. So a bird has wings. Wings are the structure. The function is the purpose of that structure. What does it do? What's its purpose? So the function of wings would be to fly. So we're going to look at a couple. So if we look at a turtle, one of the most probably the most common structures people think of when they think of turtles are these hard shells. That's the structure. That's what there is on its body. But what's the function? What purpose does the shell serve the turtle? Well, we know it provides it a way to stay safe. The turtle can come up into its shell. It's hard. It provides safety. So the structure is the shell. The function of that structure is safety. When you look at a giraffe, what most people think about when they think of giraffes are their very long necks. So the structure is the long neck, but what's the purpose? What's its function? Well, we know that giraffes eat leaves off really tall trees. So the function of the neck is to help them eat. It helps them get to the leaves that they eat. My papers are sticking together. The next one. So we have elephants. There are several structures you could look at with elephants, but think about their ears. Elephants have really big ears. If you've ever been to the zoo, you've seen how they kind of fan their ears. So the structure is the ears, but the function of that ears, they help cool them down. They can fan their ears and cool their body down. So that's the function. The last one we're going to look at, and the picture doesn't show the structure that we're going to talk about, but there are several structures you could look at. So the next one is a duck. So if you look at a duck's feet, ducks have webbed feet. So in between, like if they were to have toes, their toes would have webbing in between them. Think about where ducks spend a lot of their time. They spend a lot of their time in the water. So the structure is the webbed feet. The function of that structure is it helps them swim through the water.